Okay, excuse my voice. I'm going to try my best to show you how to do linear regressions on the calculator. So first thing I would suggest is reset the calculator. Again, this is on your cheat sheet. So you're going to do second plus, just right over here, number 7. You're going to do all RAM, so you press enter and then go to reset and then press enter again. Okay, so that's all cleared. Next, you got to turn your stat diagnostic on. So you press mode. You'll scroll down. Now again, if you have a new calculator, look at your cheat sheet I gave you. Your stat diagnostic, you're going to scroll over to on. You got to press enter to lock it in. Next, you're going to input your data. The way you input your data, you press stat, edit. It's going to give a list. So you just start typing in your values, L1 or your X's. So I'm just going to type in random ones. So I'll do 1, 5, 9. Okay. And then you type in your Y values. So let's say mine goes down. So 4, -2, and then, I don't know, -12. Okay. So there's my 3 values. Next, you want to graph these. So you turn your stat plot on. And the way you do that, right up here, stat plot. So you press second, Y equals. You're going to pick number 1. We're going to select on. I'm going to show you a shortcut to this too. Okay, these are all the different ones that we use. We're wanting to use this one. Okay, that's just random points. We're using L1, L2, and these are how it's going to mark it. Okay, so you could do a plus or a dot. I'm just going to keep that. Next, you want to go to your window, set your window up to fit it. Okay, so again, my values were all positive for X. So I'm going to do 0 to 10 for my X's, and then my Y's went down, but I went to -11. So I'm going to do -20 here and 10. Okay, now press graph, and there are my points. Okay, next, we're going to calculate our linear regression. So I'm going to press second mode, that's quit. Take me back to the main screen. Again, we're going to press stat. We're going to go over to calc. We're going to go down to number 4, linear regression, AX plus B, just like on Delta Math. Press enter. Scroll down to calculate. Press enter. And it gives me my values. Now, again, this is my linear, or my correlation coefficient. It's not exactly linear. It's very, very close. It's a good fit. And these are my values for my slope and my y-intercept. Now, on the homework, please pay attention to directions. I'm going to round this to the nearest hundredth, so 6.67. Now, there's a way to copy it, and again, that's on the cheat sheet, but you don't want to copy if you've got a round. So I'm going to go to y equals. I'm going to type in my linear regression equation, so -2x plus 6.67. And again, that's rounding. Now I go back to graph, and there's my line. Now it's pretty close, but again, it's not perfect because my correlation coefficient wasn't exactly -1. Then what you're going to do is you're going to use this to make predictions. So then you go to your table. So say it wants to know what's the value at 15. So you go to second table, and you're going to scroll down until you get to 15. So the prediction would be -23.33. Now again, it's going to round this because I rounded my equation. Make sure you highlight this to know exactly what the value is here. Okay, don't just trust the table because again, it doesn't fit in here. You can only go so much. So highlight it. Now again, this is a prediction based on the regression equation. This is not the actual value from the data, okay, because this is just a line of best fit. You're going to use that to make your predictions. One other thing you could do, and I'll go back. So if you go to y equals, you see right up here, plot 1 is turned on. That's where I went to stat plot, second y equals. But you could also go up here and then just press enter. Sorry. Just press enter, and that's going to turn that on or off. Okay, so now my stat plot is off. If I press enter again, my stat plot is back on. Be careful with that though, because you want to make sure you use the correct data. So L1 and L2, that's the reason we preferred second y equals to stat plot.